cheesy pepperoni pizza stuffed pull-apart wreath. And I'm serving it with a sweet and spicy pesto dipper, which is my new favorite way to make pesto. So to get this thing started, like most of my recipes that I am frequently messing around with, starts with a store-bought pizza dough. So you've got like a pizza dough and a half. You want it to be like 25, 26 ounce balls of dough. And then you're going to take it, you're going to flatten it between your fingers, and then you fill it with, you know, I obviously had some leftover pepperoni from the deli. You chop some of this up. You pop one of these little mozzarella balls right inside and you roll it just like a meatball. And then I take the bowl that I'm going to serve the pesto on and I put it on here and I trace it with a pencil just so you know how big to make that inner ring of the wreath. So there's going to be 26 pieces. So you've got 10 on the inside and 16 on the outside. And that's what fits really nicely. So you pop all of these on in like two little circles. So you've got your room for your pesto. You're going to let this sit out for like 30, 45 minutes before you pop it into the oven. It's really easy to work with the dough when it's cold. So that's why it sits before it goes in the oven and it'll puff up a little bit. Pop this in the oven. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it comes out. And this is what our beautiful wreath looks like when it comes out. Yum! And so we're about to get a lot more yum here. I've got some beautiful garlic butter that I've got some like Italian seasonings in. And I've got obviously some garlic for butter. So once it's hot, when it comes out of the oven, you just brush this on the top.
Right, it's stuffed garlic knots. This is like monkey bread, you guys, but it's stuffed garlic knots.
Exactly. So then you brush this all over, and you know, in my family, and I'm sure in your family too, we would all fight over these little crispy bits because that's the best part of that, like the burnt cheese on the plate.
That's right. Best part.
Okay. So now what's going to go in the center of this, like I told you, is my pesto. So here it's just a very basic pesto. It's got pistachios, it's got basil, it's got everything you've got in your regular pesto, some Parmesan, some garlic. I streamed in my olive oil. And Rachel, do you know what my secret ingredient is for my pesto?
No, but I'm really psyched because you said it's sweet and spicy.
So this is your spicy honey that you make with the Calabrian chili paste. I know. And so I always have a container of this in my refrigerator because it goes
Calabrian chili paste and honey, guys. That's all that's in it. Calabrian chili paste and honey.
That's it. And so I'm going to put, depending on how spicy you want it, I'm going to put a few spoonfuls right in my pesto.
Oh my God. I'm so making this.
What we're going to put on top of it is a pepperoni, because obviously we've got a lot of pepperoni around. We are going to put a pepperoni bow on top of the wreath, because what wreath is complete without a pepperoni bow?
Oh my gosh. So, you are such a show off.
We're going to fold some pieces, make the bow here. I've got one done for us back here. Let me grab that one. I've got our sweet and spicy pesto. I've got our pepperoni wreath. Look at this.